now. Yeah, let us start now because I have to share it in the group also. And don't think that I'll be sharing in the group, so you need not join the class. You keep on joining the class. There is a different charming is there when you join the class, face-to-face class. You can ask a lot of questions, and then I'll be sharing in the group also for other students to see this. But let before that, let me just find the screen. Let me find the screen, and this is the screen, and here we go. You have seen the screen. Can you see the screen? Please tell me. Confirm you can see the screen.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Thank you very
Yes,
much.
sir.
Thank you very
Yes,
much.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the question. First, I'll solve. I'll explain this question, and then I'll take up your questions, your queries. Even if the queries that you are having is not connected to this question, I am ready to entertain that. And for this reason only, this class is organized. So let us complete. And the answer that you can see here, don't put scratch here. Don't put this types of scratchings, etc. This looks odd. Okay, so here in this question, the answer that is given, it is not the answer of the question that I am going to share from here. Just I have given the for format, you can see, just for the sake of format, you can see this. So let's go by point. In the question, there was 1 point missing. I have given that extra point one additional adjustment I gave depreciation. Did you get it? 10% depreciation?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Very good.
Yes,
And
sir.
you must have solved the question by now. You must have solved the question. Someone will find the question very easy. Someone may find tough. Someone may find only certain points are difficult. Whatever may be, let us keep this question in between us and concentrate on this question. And whatever your new doubts come to mind, we shall clarify. Plant and machinery. One person tell me, plant and machinery, asset side. Tell me which side? Balance sheet?
S asset side.
Asset.
Nobody has got any doubt about it. But I want to clarify at the same time. Here only let me clarify because you have solved it. So I'll not take much time for this question. No need to take much time because you have already solved it. So regarding plant and machinery, there is a point given in the adjustment. You please see in the adjustment some point is given. Plant and machinery include machine worth 10,000 purchased on 1st October 2014. So your trial balance is 31st. Why this scratching is coming? Someone is scratching. I think some of you is scratching this way because I don't do. Participants have done it. Please don't do it. Request to the particular student, don't do this type of scratching. Okay, so plant and machinery was 34,000 in the trial balance. But in the adjustment it is given plant and machinery 10,000 purchased on 1st October 2014. And today's date is 31st March 2015. So these are the points to be noted. That means the 34,000 was not whole year. 10,000 was purchased during the year. That means 34,000 minus 10,000, 24,000 was since beginning. Whole year, 24,000 plant was with you. So it comes actually for the purpose of depreciation. The point was missing in the question. So 10% depreciation you shall give on 24,000 for 1 year. And 10% depreciation, did I give 10% in the adjustment?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, fine.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay, so there is no problem. So there is no problem. I have given it here 10%. The tricky point, let me clarify first. Yes, second year. Yes, I have given one more adjustment. Planting machine to have depreciated 10% per annum, correct? So what you have to do, 34,000 planting machine given, but it's written in the adjustment 10,000 was purchased on 1st October 2014. It means that 24,000 was from beginning. So on 24,000 in the working, on 24,000 you shall make depreciation 10% for the whole year. So it will be 2,400, right? 2,400. And on 10,000 you have to give depreciation from 1st October to 31st March 15. So October, November, December, January, February, March, 6 months. So on 10,000, you have to give depreciation for 6 months. And on 34,000, you give depreciation for 1 year. On 24,000. So 24,000 depreciation 1 year is 2,400. And on 10,000 depreciation 10% 1 year 1,500. So have you got depreciation 2,900? Tell me, make me clear. Confirm.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. So if anyone did not understand, for them I have explained. And if you have done it, that is really my pleasure that you could do it. Very good. But I am explaining because there may be some students who did not understand. But please ask me if anyone is there who did not understand. So depreciation is 2,900 will be coming to the PL account debit side. In PL account debit side, you have to write depreciation 2,900 depreciation of machinery, and on balance sheet asset side you have to write plant and machinery 34,000 less depreciation 2,900. Or you can better write in the asset side plant and machinery 24,000 inner column. Add purchase during the year, you write 10,000. Then in inner column you write 34,000. And therefrom you deduct depreciation 2,900. Could you follow? Could you follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us switch over to another.
Yes, sir.
Furniture. Yes, anybody doubt? Tell me. Anybody doubt? No. Okay. Furniture debit side trial balance. Tell me where? Anyone?
Sir, balance sheet
Yes,
asset
sir.
side.
Balance sheet
Asset
asset side.
side.
Next, buildings.
Balance sheet.
Asset side
Balance
of
sheet
balance
asset
sheet.
side.
Okay. Carriage inward. Carriage
Side
Sir,
inward.
debit side profit.
Profit and loss
Side.
account debit side.
Profit and loss account debit side. But there's a
Sir,
problem.
inward is I think trading account, na?
Yeah, you should go to trading account. You should
Yes,
go
sir.
to,
Trading.
it should go to, you do one thing, since we are not making carriage, by mistake it is given inward. It should be carriage outward, because one particular item is there for trading account. I am writing it carriage outward, because it is profit and loss account and balance sheet you are going to make, and PL appropriation account. You are not going to make trading account. So let us make it carriage outward, correcting the question, printing mistake. Okay, so carriage outward put in profit and loss account debit side. Salaries,
Debit side of profit and loss account.
bad debts.
Loss account debit side.
Okay, bad debts.
Sir, debit
Debit
side.
side of profit and loss.
Side
Debit side.
of profit and loss account.
Okay, cash in hand.
Asset side of balance sheet.
Balance sheet.
Good. 10% investment.
Asset side.
Good.
Balance
Asset.
sheet.
Depreciation account dash.
Okay, insurance.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, I could not understand, sir, why it was given 10% investment?
Okay, let me explain to you. See, investment you understand? Simply investment you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have invested money for income in some place. Maybe you have invested in a share, you have invested in debenture, you have invested in some business. So for earning income. Now, whenever you invest, there is a question of interest. This 10% means 10% interest. 10% means 10% interest. So this percentage indicates interest, correct? And next we should see if any adjustment is given for this 10% investment. If nothing is given in the adjustment, and in the trial balance credit side, nothing is given about interest on investment. So we can ignore it, because we do not know when investment is purchased, whether investment is interest is received or not. All these things are there. But another formula here is 10% investment, so you must receive 500 rupees interest. But since you have not received in the credit side of trial balance, That means it is accrued. You can give a adjustment entry. This entry is known as, it is not written in the adjustment, but you can give from yourself. This is hidden adjustment. Hidden adjustment. Let me explain once again. 10% investment, 5,000. It means that 10% investment, 5,000. It means that you shall get 500 rupees as interest. But you see in the credit side, nothing is written about interest on investment. That means whole 500 rupees is outstanding. So you can give an entry in PL credit, interest on investment outstanding 500. And this will again go to balance sheet asset side. This is an adjustment, but this adjustment is not written in the adjustment portion. So you can tell this is a hidden adjustment. These types of hidden adjustments are many, you are going to get these things, hidden adjustment. So here sometimes it is given like this, 10% investment on the debit side, 5,000. Or on the credit side, interest on investment received 300. Suppose given interest on investment received 300 in the credit side. It means 10% interest on investment is 500, but credit side you have received 300. So 200 is outstanding, and that 200 will be hidden adjustment. This 200 will be added to 300 credit side of PL account. And this 200 will again go to balance sheet asset side. Interest on investment accrued. Are you getting confused? Are you getting
No,
confused?
sir.
Okay. So here you can
Sir,
give, yeah.
Sir, 5,000 to মানে interest হয়, investment নহয় no? Main
Investment is 5,000, but 10% is the interest. So you are supposed to get interest rupees 500. Correct?
Yes,
Correct? You are supposed
sir.
to get. But the question is, should we take it as adjustment or not? That is a controversial point. Because it may also, I don't know when it is purchased. Nothing is mentioned about when it is purchased. So one assumption is that this investment was since beginning of the year. In that case, 500 interest you have to get, but you have not received. So it will come PL credit and balance sheet asset side, 500 interest. But another assumption may be this investment is purchased at the end of the year, like 31st March 2015, it is purchased. It has come to the trial balance, no question of interest, but I do not know when it is purchased. So you can assume that interest on investment is to be given or not to be given. You can give a note and do it. I cannot force you. But if some amount of interest on investment given in the credit side, then I'll understand it is from the beginning or from the middle of the year. If it is from the middle of the year, then date of investment purchase will be given in the balance sheet. Like in machinery, it is given 1st October. Something is mentioned, something will be mentioned. But here nothing is mentioned. So you better give an entry. You can give an entry because it is not mentioned purchase at the end of the year. Nothing is mentioned. So let us assume, you can give a note. It is assumed that 10% investment was existing in the business since beginning of the year. So 10% interest will be 500. This 500 is not received. So it is known as accrued, receivable but not received. It is accrued. So it will come PL credit side, interest on investment accrued. And this will again go to balance sheet asset side, preferably added to the investment, because investment will be going to asset side. Could you follow? Other things are not tough. You can ask this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can take time on these tricky points. Other things are not tough. Okay, if any problem, you can ask me later on again. Insurance, why it will go insurance?
PL debit
Sir,
side.
asset side.
No,
side
no,
of
no.
PL.
Insurance means
Loss
insurance
account.
premium expense. Okay, business expense. It will go to PL debit side. Insurance premium, right? Is not asset. Then drawings, Orup and Swarup drawings are given. You know where it will go.
Sir, less from capital.
in balance sheet liability
Liability
side. Good. Closing stock is given. Where it will go? Closing stock.
Asset.
Sir,
Asset
asset
side.
side balance sheet.
Karan,
Sheet.
this is given in the trial balance. Only one time it will go to the asset side. And if it is given in the adjustment, it will go trading credit and balance sheet asset. But here you don't have to make trading account also. Then capital, no question, you know it. Capital, where?
Liability side.
Liability side.
Liability side.
Sundry creditors,
Liability.
Liability side.
bank overdraft,
Liability.
Liability.
provision for doubtful debt,
Sir, PL credit.
Sir,
PL credit
you
PL.
side.
can give PL credit on the assumption that provision is no longer required, but nothing is mentioned about provision below. Nothing is mentioned. So you can give PL credit. Then what else is given? And you can also do provision for doubtful debt 1200 and bad debt is given how much? 300. Right? Bad debt is how much? Bad debt is
300.
you can adjust also. In credit side, you can write provision for doubtful debt 1200 less bad debt 300. It will be all right. Because you thought that 1200 will be doubtful debt, bad. But ultimately 300 is bad. So doubtful 1200 less bad 300 you can write in the credit side. Or many people write bad debt debit side, doubtful debt credit side. Okay, mathematically correct, no problem. But it is proper, more logical. From doubtful debt you deduct the bad debt. That is more better. Then wages outstanding. Wages
Liability.
Sir, liability.
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 If wages outstanding given in the adjustment, then 2 times. Right? You know 2 times. Then come to the adjustment. Outstanding expenses. Salary is 200. What you will do with salary 200?
Sir,
Sir,
add from
add.
salary and
Sir, add.
liability balance sheet.
PL debit side you add it and then liability side, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Interest on bank overdraft outstanding 150. Tell me, interest on bank overdraft.
Sir, liability side.
Liability side add habo. Interest on.
Yeah, first PL debit side. Agreed? PL debit side. And then balance sheet liability side, you add to bank overdraft. In liability side, there is already bank overdraft. From trial balance, it is 8,500. With that, you add this 150. Agreed? Agreed?
Yes.
Okay, no doubt. And plant and machinery, you see, I have explained 10,000 was purchased on 1st October 2014. So October, November, December, January, February, March 2015, 6 months. So on 10,000, depreciation will be for 6 months. And total plant and machinery is 34,000. So rest of 24,000 depreciation for 1 year. So on 24,000 1 year it is 2,400 and on 10,000 6 months it is 500. So depreciation PL debit 2,900 and balance sheet asset less from plant and machinery 2,900. So balance sheet tell it. Tell it. Hello?
Sir, will you please explain it again?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, plant and machinery, you can take your rough page and pen also along with I'm talking, you can write. See, plant and machinery is given 34,000 in the trial balance. But in the adjustment, it is given the 10,000 was purchased on 1st October. And trial balance date is 31st March 2015. And 10,000 of plant is purchased on 1st October 2014. It means that before 1st October, there was plant and machinery only 24,000. Total is 34,000. 10,000 purchased in October. So throughout the year, 24,000 was there and plant and machinery 10,000 newly purchased. Done. Now depreciation will be given differently. On the 24,000 which existed since beginning, you give depreciation for 1 year. So 10% is 2,400, write it. And the 10,000 which was purchased in October,